Hello, juniors. This is Mrs. Tucker, and I'm going to review with you your assignment for today. So this should look very familiar to several of you who've been with me. It is the College Board website. But what we're going to talk about is the PSAT and specifically the PSAT NMSQT. It's a National Merit Qualifying Test. Okay, so I know that you guys familiar, if you've been an Avid, you're familiar with the PSAT and the SAT. Juniors, you will be encouraged to take the real SAT your junior year, but normally not until the second semester, which is going to be March. You as juniors will be required to take the PSAT NMSQT, National Merit Qualifying Test, this particular school year. Now, the PSAT is the practice SAT, and we've also talked about how the PSAT has partnered with Khan Academy to give you actual training and work that you can do to help you prepare for the SAT. So we're going to talk a little bit about the PSAT, what to expect. You actually took it as 10th graders and potentially 9th graders. Some of you may have even taken it as an 8th grader if you were in Avid. So I'm going to send you this website. It will be part of your lesson. It is College Readiness College Board PSAT. So I am going to ask you, as you scroll down a little bit, notice it says Inside the Test. You're going to click on Inside the Test, and it tells you the PSAT are highly relevant to your future success because they focus on skills and knowledge at the heart of education. What they measure is what you've learned in high school and what you need to succeed in college. So they're trying to see what you've actually learned so far, but they're also trying to make sure that you are prepared for college level work. Okay. If you think the key to a high score is memorizing words you will never use again, then that is not how this test works. So if you notice here on the side, it tells you see what they're like, find out what kinds of questions you'll see on the PSAT, and they have the reading, the writing, the math, and key content changes to the test. You also have that over here. So you're going to need that, guys, as you do my assignment today. So again, one of the things that we're going to be focusing on for these next few weeks is actually PSAT. Let me go ahead and click this also. Oh, of course, it's going to do that to me. Sorry, I had to log back in. And then this is also going to be some information overview about the test. It tells you about the questions, the time allotment. It tells you a little bit about format. But again, I do still want you to come back to the website that I send you to. The website I'm going to send you to, so then you can review, because you're also going to be doing a scavenger hunt. And when you click on get more information, and it says over here inside the test, and then it says taking the test, then it'll say practice. You're going to need that information to go ahead and do the scavenger hunt. All right, let me know if you have any questions, guys.